Okay, we have created a custom student and also a couple of custom sim tasks. And now what we're going to do is use the sim creator to make a simulation that uses student and tasks. And we'll do that by clicking sim creator. And we are going to create a sim. And we'll begin by adjusting the classroom settings. And part 1, the setup. Please move the slider all the way down to 1 for one student. I would like this first simulation. You can create more later if you want, but for this first simulation, I would like you to only use your custom student that you created for this lesson. And under performance, you are required to select something here, and please set it to average. In step 2, we're going to select the student configuration, and remember we want to use a custom student, so we're going to pick that from the drop down, and it'll change a little here. And before we go on, we're going to set our sim student model, and please set that to use visual, auditory, or kinesthetic. And you can see I've already done this. I'm going to pick the last student I created. Make sure your student is selected. We'll go down to the next section, and this step is optional. If you were creating a large class with a lot of students, you could adjust this. In this case, we don't have to do anything. But in step 4, custom tasks, we do want to add our own custom task that we created, so we're going to pick that. It's going to change things a little bit here, and you can see all of the tasks that you typically see with a module. And you could remove some of them if you wanted. Mine was level 2 and level 3 tasks, and so I'm going to make sure those are selected. And once I do that, I'm going to click Next Step. Finally, I am going to save and share this. First of all, I got to give it a name, and I'm going to call this my first sim. And I also need to provide a description. I really don't care what you put there. It's just that simSchool requires something. In the next section, you need to pick a sim tag or tags. And I think probably for this we're exploring individual learners. You could pick maybe learning preferences or meeting individual needs. Those are 2 potentially relevant tags. In the next section, it is optional to share this. I don't recommend that you share this with the world. However, I would like you to share it with me, so please set yes on contacts. And let's hit submit. And there you go. I have my brand new first sim as opposed to my old first sim. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to run this simulation and then how to view the reports and kind of figure out what they all mean. Thanks.